Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to talk to you about this forging mount TV stand. It's just a tripod freestanding stand. I think it works up to a 55-inch TV. So I really love this thing so far. I want to tell you a couple things about it. There's only one thing that I won't call it like a major issue, but just one little thing that I think is worth pointing out to you. But before I get to that, I just want to tell you about the features overall. It was really easy to assemble. It came basically with this full tripod assembled here together. You just had to mount this TV bracket onto the tripod and then these TV rails onto your TV, and then it just sets and locks in place. So I think that was pretty straightforward, and then these locking screws to hold it on. So I love that. The bars overall, like, they feel really sturdy. I don't know if I have this all the way up right now. The top of my TV is right about 6 feet. I mean, you can shake this thing and it holds on really good. So it's not like you're gonna bump into it a little bit and tip it over or something. So it's really sturdy. I plan on using it in my basement because I wanted to have a TV down there to go play video games, or sometimes if I'm recording videos or whatever. I just like to have my own space and monitor to look at things, or use this as a screen or monitor to look at things. But I want to be able to move it around spaces really easily when I need to. And it's just super simple for that. I just kind of grab the TV and pick it up, carry it to where I need it to go. The one thing that I said I wanted to let you know is when you're going to adjust the height, so raise or lower it, it can be a little bit awkward to do by yourself, simply because it has this pin, so you can see the holes that you can adjust your height. So it doesn't have a lock that keeps you from lifting it up higher, but it has this pin that keeps it from dropping down lower. So when you want to adjust that, you have to kind of hold the TV up and pull the pin, insert it back in once you choose your height. With the TV on there, it makes it a little difficult, but if you just pre-plan a little bit and you know the height of your TV, or if you have somebody else that's available to help you move it, not a big deal at all. If you can't raise or lower it by yourself, you can also just simply take the TV off and then adjust the height and put the TV back on. Not a big deal. This is a really nice tripod TV stand. It's much more sturdy than I expected it to be. It seems like it's going to last a long time, and I definitely plan on getting a lot of use out of it.